Why coronavirus is so easy to spread in the community is that infected persons have an incubation period of about 14 days, and there are no obvious surface symptoms. Many people do not know if they have been in contact with incubators. We use a smartphone app and also to install access terminals in public facilities. Only person that is not in our suspected incubation list can get a green go. Let me demonstrate how it works. The system consists of two parts: the client's mobile app and the access terminal to be installed in public areas such as restaurants, cinemas or libraries. The mobile app can be downloaded from Google Play or iOS Store. During the installation, the app will ask the user for his or her mobile phone number. A QR code will then be generated on the smart. If anyone wants to access a public facility, they will be asked to get the QR code scanned by the access terminal at the entrance. Here are two facilities A and B. User 1 and 2 are accessing the facility A while user 3 and 4 to facility B. A green tick on the terminal display means they are good to go. Two days later, user 4 has confirmed coronavirus infected. The medical authority needs to enter the mobile phone number of user 4 into our system through a medical terminal. Now, the user 4 phone number is entered on the terminal, and the record is transmitted to the server. The server immediately puts all persons who appear in the same place at the same time as the confirmed patient in the past 14 days into an alert list and transmits it to all. Now we can test if all access terminals will block the access of user 4 and also user 3 because user 3 went to the same facility B before. The display on the access terminal denies the entry before a certain date from 1 to 14 days, depending on the date they shown up the facility with infection. However, it should not affect user 1 and 2 because they have never shown up on facility B at the same time with user 4. User 1 and 2 have no problem of accessing facility A and facility B again. This is a simple illustration of how the system works.